want to tell us a bit about yourself?
Well, I was born completely blind. Well, not really completely blind, just... I was born visually impaired.
Growing up, like, was it easy?
Some bits, yes, some bits, not really. I went to a special school in primary school that, like, had all the people with vision impairments and got a lot of support and stuff.
So you've learned to cope with it a lot?
Yeah, I've learned to adapt. It's all about adapting.
So how do you adapt?
Well, I look at the situation and I try to figure out a way around it. Like, mostly with reading, I get to use Braille, which is basically like reading with your fingers.
Yeah.
And the interesting thing about me, I found a way to adapt to archery, which is primarily a science sport, but I found a way to adapt to it.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
I just put some sort of radio behind the target and aim with my ears.
Do you have any hobbies?
I like reading and watching like movies and TV shows and stuff. I like surfing the internet and stuff like that, yeah. I really like fantasy, but lately I've been going through superheroes. Marvel is awesome.
So can you tell us what your favourite Marvel character is?
My favorite? I have to say either Captain America or Loki.
Oh, cool.
Captain America because I really like the story behind Loki because I kind of understand what it's like to be in other people's shadow and not feel appreciated a lot of the time, and I've always liked complicated characters like that.
If you had a superpower, what would you want it to be?
I would like to sense stuff like how Spider-Man can sense stuff, or like how Jedi can sense stuff in Star Wars. Be able to sense object coming towards me, or be able to feel what's going on. That would be awesome. I kind of can always do something like that. You see, when one sense is really bad, like with me and my sight, other senses have to compensate. Like I can read Braille, which involves a lot of tactile stuff, and I can read it with my fingers, and that has a sensitive sense of touch. But I also have very sensitive ears.
What is your greatest achievement?
I think just learning how to move around places and learning how to... I think I've heard some people say that I'm one of the quickest people to ever learn the Braille alphabet. I learned it in half a year or something.
So when did you learn that?
When I was 8, 9, and my vision started decreasing a little bit.
And you're really good at it?
Apparently I am.
So you can read really fast and...
Yeah, I can. Read really fast.
So how long does it take you to read a book or something?
Depends on how interested... It depends on the size of the book, how interested I'm in the book. I've started reading Harry Potter to my brother at night when he's trying to go to sleep. It took us about just under a month to read the first book.
So how would you describe your journey?
I learned that some people in the world just don't understand what it's like to be blind, and they just really mean about it, but that's the way the world works. People are going to be discriminated against people like me, and you just gotta keep holding on and have faith that you'll get through. And I was born like this, and if someone has a problem with that, then I don't care. It's who I am. I went saying it's who I am for the world. My vision has, I guess my bad vision has helped shape who I am. So, I guess my journey, it's one of trials and tribulations, but I just keep carrying on and stay strong. That's what I do.